Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please be kind to go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam P on probability. Patients in a study are tested for sleep apnea one at a time until the patient is found to have this disease. Each patient independently has the same probability of having sleep apnea. Let R represent the probability that at least 4 patients are tested. Determine the probability that at least 12 patients are tested, given that at least 4 patients are tested. And here's a solution. Let P stand for the probability that a randomly tested patient does not have sleep apnea, so it's free of that disease. Let N be the random variable that counts the number of people tested until someone with sleep apnea is found. Then the probability that N is equal to N is P to the N minus 1, so N minus 1 people without sleep apnea, times 1 minus P, that's the person tested in the end test that has sleep apnea. That's for N equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. The probability we're looking for is the probability that N is greater than or equal to 12, given that N is greater than or equal to 4, which is the probability that N is greater than or equal to 12, divided by probability that N is greater than or equal to 4, because the intersection of those two events is the event that N is greater than or equal to 12, because once N is greater than or equal to 12, it has to be more than 4. But N is discrete, so being greater than or equal to 12 is the same as N being greater than 11. So this is equal to probability that N is more than 11, and in a similar way we can reason that the bottom is equal to probability that N is more than 3. And that means that in the first 11 tests, the persons didn't have sleep apnea, were free of the disease, so the probability at the top is P to the 11th, and at the bottom it's P cubed. And R is defined as the probability that N is greater than or equal to 4, which is the same as probability that N is greater than 3, and that's equal to P cubed. So the probability that N is greater than or equal to 12, given that N is greater than or equal to 4, is P to the 11th over P cubed, which is equal to P cubed to the power 11 over 3 divided by P cubed. And since P cubed is equal to R, this is equal to R to the 11 over 3 over R, which is equal to R to the power 8 over 3, and that's answer C. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.